A moderate magnitude 4.3 earthquake hit 16.6 kilometers, 10 miles, away from Bais, central Visayas, Philippines, in the early afternoon of Sunday, May 11, 2025 at 2:48 p.m. local time. Asia, Manila GMT +8. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, PHIVOLCS after 7 minutes. The earthquake occurred 21 weeks after a magnitude 5.1 earthquake had hit on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, at 3:37 p.m. local time. Asia, Manila GMT +8. In 36 kilometers, 22 miles. Distance to the west. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.